There's a couple of...
Is it a show?
It's a Bradley rally, isn't it? They have a rally.
So it's not a
It's alright if you've got the money for one, isn't it?
Well, it's only cost us
375 quid. We offered him 380, he wouldn't take it.
You could buy an house for that price in them days.
Yeah, that's true. Get the good side, Si, get the good side.
We've been at work till 2:30 this morning, me and him. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing. You have to test stuff because I haven't used it for a bit, have I? Anyway, hopefully you can hear me. I've got the sound there. I was going to bring my drone out and fly it, but I've got a new phone and I forgot my other phone. I don't have a lead that goes from a Samsung Galaxy to my drone, so I'll show you where I am. I just thought I'd show you, there's another camper van down there and I think they've slept here all night. This is a spot that I haven't told you about. Anyway, it's near where I live, near Morecambe. I hope you can see me, it's a bit dark. Let's have a look. It's still dark, isn't it? I'll tell you what, if I put this up, now you'll see me, and I'll put this down. Now you can see me. That should be up there. Anyway, so that guy, Neil, me and him were working together till, what time did we finish? We finished at 2:15. Anyway, I went round there at 9 o'clock to have a look at Morecambe's vintage car, you know, car festival. Some beautiful outfits that people were wearing from the 20s and 30s and that. Anyway, he was working lining the vintage cars up. I said, what are you doing? It's your day off. He said, oh, I don't want a day off. It's like me, he's a grafter. So anyway, fair play to you, Neil, you're doing the job. We're working together, but he's carrying on working even on his day off, he's still working. He used to be a guard at Tesco. And when I was at the hospital as a guard, I used to go there, get me food, and then have a chat with him for like 20 minutes, and then I go to work. And we end up working together now. Anyway, so I've been to Morecambe's Vintage Festival. What a great day out, you know, even though I was on my own, Sue was working, I just enjoyed it. It's good for you, it's good for your mind just to get out and do stuff. And the cars, Morris Minors, I remember my mother parking a Morris Minor on a hill just in case it wouldn't start, but they have a noise in the engine. She would never give me a key as a kid because I always lost them. So I used to have to sit on the doorstep after school waiting for her to come home, and then I could hear the car coming up the street. I knew it was my mother coming up straight. It's a Morris Minor engine, and can't remember what cc, I think they were 1100, weren't they, or something like that. Anyway, it was like a bright blue, if you will. Got the windows open and the doors, so people walking past, they'll hear me having a chat. I'm not bothered anyway. They'll hear me having a chat to you. I mean, look at these cars. I mean, and then them guys before said, oh, look at that, the original bill, 320 odd pound. I think my uncle bought his first house for 400 pound. And then he went to Australia after that for a tenner, £10 pom. But I'll tell you what I do love, is walking around car boot sales. This is the car boot sale. Let me know in the comments what you buy on car boots or what you look for, because I look for all sorts. I've got an open mind, but I used to be mad on Bakelite stuff, Bakelite ashtrays, Bakelite telephone, Bakelite anything, you know, made out of Bakelite. It was a fascinating material to me when I was younger, and I used to buy all sorts that was Bakelite. And but let me know what you look out for on car boots. If you like car boots, I love them, mate. You know, see something, you think, bloody hell, I've not seen one of them for years. How much is this? Oh, 20p. 20p? I'll have it. So this is why I've got that much stuff at home in the shed. I have a shed full of stuff that I like. But anyway, yeah, what a great day out it was. And the weather, it did rain at about 12 for about 10-15 minutes. And then the sun came out and it was absolutely, it was like 2 weeks ago, it was 100 degrees or whatever, but it was ridiculous. But anyway, what a beautiful sunset last night. But yeah, what a great day out, and it's like I say, having the van, even though we're not going out overnight every night and living in it, which I can't do, I've got to work, it's just its ability to go and see things that you wouldn't ordinarily, like I park up, I actually parked up at Morrison's, because at Morecambe you can park up at Morrison's for 3 hours for free. You don't get a ticket or anything, you don't have to shop in any of the shops, you just park and leave, you know. You've got 3 hours. Usually where I do park on Morecambe Prom, it was wall-to-wall campers, so I couldn't get in. But anyway, it's nice to see all the campers there, nice to see all the people turning up to visit the town. The council do own a lot of land in Morecambe, and they could provide some space for you and charge a £5 a night and give you a toilet facility and a tap. I don't know why, they're missing a trick there, I don't know why. Anyway, such is life. I don't know what the problem is, but I think van life in general has become a problem for them, hasn't it? Because so many people are now living in vans. But anyway, so yeah, I just thought I'd show you what I did, and obviously just getting out having the van, and then just being able to park up somewhere, go and enjoy your day, and then come back to the van, do your cooking, have a brew, and just relax and watch a bit of TV, and then go back home. You've had a day out, you know. And the van has enabled you to do it, because you can park. It's mad because you park in a space, right, like you do in your car, and yet like your car is your refuge in that spot, and your van, it's like an extension of your house in that spot. It becomes your house, you know. That's your spot in that part, wherever you parked up. It's a mad feeling that you've got a whole, you know, everything you want in your van, and then it's like having your house parked on a street somewhere. But anyway, so that's what I've been up to, and I don't know if you've missed Morecambe's Vintage Festival, but it'll be on next year. But yeah, what a great day out it was. There's fairgrounds, there's all the vintage cars there, which are nice to see. I did go quite early, so I missed some in the afternoon, if you will, and I like to have a sleep in the afternoon, especially when it's my day off. So I just got back to the van, moved it, and then I had a sleep in van for an hour. Only like an hour, you know, hour and a half in van, that'll do me. The granddad nap. Sue says I'm idle. I said, no Sue, it's an energy boost, you know, like a power nap, if you will, and that's where you get all your good thoughts from, you know, for the rest of the day. Power nap, I like that word, power nap or an energy boost. So if anybody catches you asleep like that, what are you doing? I'm just having a...
Right, you're not getting an ice cream either unless you eat all your food here.
Oh. Not getting an ice cream unless she eats the food, that's how it should be. Anyway, so yeah, power nap. Tell them you're having a power nap or an energy boost. Oh god. So anyway, that's what I've been doing. So yeah, I thought I'd share my day with you. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. And just put in the comments where you've been lately. Let's see where everybody's been going. I know obviously a lot of people have been going away. I can't go away yet. We are doing another couple of weeks and we'll be away. And oh, a much anticipated week off for me and Susie, and we're going away. So anyway, there's loads of places I've seen on YouTube with other van YouTubers where they've been, and I thought, yeah, that's one on my list, I'll go there. And I've got this list, it's never ending. But unless I win the lottery or come into some money somehow, it's you know, I've just got to take one step at a time. I can go where I can afford, and when I can have the time off. Anyway, I'm entitled to 4.5 weeks, and I'm getting a week off at end of September. I'm at work tomorrow. I do enjoy work though, you know, it's alright saying I've got to work, but I do enjoy it. Anyway, I've been Smithy, this is a Contiki, I'm definitely going to see you again. Stay safe, be lucky, and I'll see you again, definitely. I hope this has all worked, because I've not used it for a while, but it's showing that everything's working anyway. I hope it's not too dark for you, it's daylight, it's what we're on, 12:30 in the afternoon. Anyway. See you soon. Sorry about the hair, I've still got this mad stuff on that I'm spraying on to get rid of the psoriasis I've had, but it's going, it's doing its job. Anyway, see you soon.